Hi, I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. The soil that surrounds the Nile in Egypt is the most precious gift that Egypt has had. And this salad represents the nature's gifts to Egypt. It's very simple salad, but it uses fresh ingredients that you can find them in Egypt almost all year round. Now, let's mix our salad. In a big bowl, I'm gonna add my tomatoes, cucumbers, mix them well together, and now it's time to make the dressing. I like to make the dressing in something with a lid so I can shake it and it's ready, and I can also store it in the fridge. So I start by adding the onions, red onions, chopped parsley, dry mint, salt, a little bit of pepper, vinegar, olive oil, and the lemon. The reason I add the onions to my dressing, that the lemon and the vinegar mitigates the strong flavor of the red onions a little bit. So it becomes more, I would say, have a subtle flavor instead of being overpowering in the salad. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna shake it very well. You can either assemble your salad right away or keep your dressing in the fridge for up to, I would say, 2 days, and then assemble the salad right before serving. So don't add the dressing until you're ready to serve your salad. I'm gonna add the dressing. And the salad is ready to serve. This is a very simple salad made of a few ingredients available almost anywhere, and it's a quintessential salad in Egyptian cuisine. It's served with almost everything, with rice, with stews, just name it. This salad takes no longer than 15 minutes to make. I would like you to try it. Leave a comment below, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.